前回のビデオでは present perfect tense について勉強しましたね。こんにちは皆さん、Vtuber です。今日は present perfect continuous tense について勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. The present perfect continuous tense talk about actions that started in the past and are still happening now, or have just stopped with visible results. I'll briefly tell you the formula, which is subject plus have, has plus been plus verb ing. So the present perfect continuous tense is divided into 3 different categories, which I will explain later. We'll first take a look at the time expressions used for present perfect continuous tense. For plus time. I've been waiting for 2 hours. Since plus point. She has been studying since 5 p.m. All day or week. We have been shopping all day. Lately or recently. He has been skipping class lately. Just in result-based use. I've just been working out. So you can use this time expressions when you're making a sentence with present perfect continuous tense. Now, let's go into more details about different categories. The first type is an action that started in the past and is still happening now. It shows that something is ongoing up to this moment. Take a look at a timeline. This girl had started running in the past and right now she is still running. Let's take a look at other examples. She has been watching anime all afternoon. She has been playing the song Like Jenny since morning. So for these 2 situations, it means situations start in the past and it's still happening right now. But the second type is an action that's just stopped, but you can see the result now. Take a look at the timeline. The action is finished, but the effect is still happening. I've been cooking, so the kitchen's a mess. He has been crying, his eyes are still red. So these 2 sentences shows the result. The last type of present continuous tense is when you use when you're frustrated or emotional about something that keeps on happening. So you say it with a more emotional tone. He has been using my charger all week. I've been cleaning the room all by myself. So for these 2 sentences, you can see the annoyed tone in it. In the next video, we will learn more about the present perfect continuous tense. Okay, that's all for today. Present perfect tense についてもっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ、present perfect continuous tense もっと勉強しましょう。質問があれば下にコメントしてください。返事します。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。